Good morning, everyone. Today we will start with a new lesson, allergies. As you already know, the immune system can recognize the non-self and start an immune response in order to eliminate it. However, sometimes the immune system works improperly, leading to allergy. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to define the term allergy, list the signs of an allergic reaction, identify major allergens and describe their effects, indicate the role of histamine in an allergic reaction, and finally explain the steps of an allergic reaction. Have you ever smelled a flower or touched a dog and you started sneezing or coughing? Well, in some people, the immune response gets out of control. It starts an exaggerated immune response against harmless substances. This immune response is called allergy. Allergies might be hereditary. That's why your dad, sister, or grandmother might be also allergic to the same substances as you. Any substance that causes allergy, such as pollen in flowers, is called an allergen. Remember that an allergy caused by pollen is called hay fever. There are several types of allergens, such as pollen from plants. This allergy is known as hay fever. Food allergy, such as peanut allergy that can lead to the swelling of the throat and tongue, insect stings, animals' hair or fur, dust, certain types of medicine and chemicals, dust mites which are found in bed mattresses and furniture, and microorganisms such as mold which is found on bread. Signs or symptoms of allergy are divided into two groups: immediate symptoms that appear directly after the contact with the allergen, such as lacrimation, which is the production of tears, runny nose, headaches, swelling or edema, rash, which is the appearance of red spots on your skin, and coughing. Other symptoms of allergy are delayed symptoms, which means that they can develop later on, such as eczema. Eczema is a skin condition that leads to the inflammation of the skin and appearance of itchy red spots. So why do we have allergies? An allergic reaction occurs in the human body due to the production of a specific type of chemical called histamine. Histamine is produced by two types of cells known as mast cells and basophils. An allergic reaction occurs in two phases: when we encounter the allergen for the first time, and when we encounter this same allergen for the second time. What are the different steps of an allergic reaction? During the first contact, the allergen enters into the body and binds to antibodies found on B cells. As a result, these B cells produce antibodies. Then the antibodies bind to the membrane of the mast cells or basophils, which means that these cells are now sensitized. They contain vesicles that have histamine. During the second contact with the same allergen, the allergen enters into our body and binds to the antibodies. As a result, the sensitized cells release histamine. Histamine is responsible for the allergic symptoms. What is sensitization? As we previously discussed, antibodies bind to mast cells or basophils that are responsible for the production of histamine. This process is called sensitization. Is there a cure for allergies? Unfortunately, there is no cure for allergies. However, there are lots of medications that reduce the symptoms by decreasing the amount of histamine produced. These medications are known as antihistamine. After studying the notes well, please open your books to page 47 and solve numbers 1 to 4. I will send the answer key later on. And don't forget, stay home, stay safe.